Hi, this is Math Globe. Can you find largest product, using the digits 1 to 9 only once? Let the solution come. Okay, first, let's write the multiplication of two numbers. As seen, to get largest product, we have to have a rectangle close to the square. Next, we pick 9 and 8 as follows. Then, to determine the place of 7 and 6, let's do following subtraction. From this, 96 minus 87 equals to 9, and the same way, 97 minus 86 equals to 11. Thus, to get the drawing close to a square, the difference always should be as small as possible. Then, we can write 96 and 87 as shown. Next, if we apply same rule to the remaining digits, then the smallest differences will be 889 and 77,889. As seen, as to keep the difference between the numbers at a minimum, we will have 9,642 and 87,531. Lastly, checking all the figures in each operation given in the problem, we'll notice that all digits fit their places. From this, when we multiply two numbers, we will have largest product. And this will be the solution.